To reduce the risk of road accidents, Google did not include the YouTube app in the Android Auto car interface. However, to escape boredom in a parked car, you may want to watch YouTube videos on the car infotainment display. So in this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube videos on Android Auto in any car. CarStream is an app that lets you play YouTube videos on your Android Auto screen. However, CarStream is not available on the Play Store. We have to download it from another app called AAAD or Android Auto Apps Downloader. To do so, open a browser on your phone and search for AAAD app. Download it from the GitHub page. After downloading the AAAD APK file, install it on your Android phone. Once installed, open the AAAD app. Allow install apps from unknown sources. Here, tap on the CarStream app and choose the latest version to install it. It will install the CarStream app on your Android phone. Once the CarStream app is installed on your phone, open it. On the top right, tap the three dot and go to the settings. From here, you can enable the desktop mode, which would be more user-friendly on your car's display. Next, to stream YouTube videos to your car with Android Auto, open the Android Auto app on your phone. If the Android Auto app doesn't come pre-installed on your phone, you can install it from the Play Store. Then open the Settings app and search for Android Auto. You can launch the app from here. Then, connect your phone to your car's infotainment system wirelessly or via a USB cable. The CarStream app should appear on Android Auto. You can now open the app and enjoy watching YouTube videos on the car's display. You can log into a YouTube account, search for videos, and play whichever video you like. So guys, this is how you can watch YouTube videos on Android Auto in any car. However, do not play videos in a moving car or while you are driving. It can increase the risk of accidents. Always make sure that the car is parked before you play videos on the infotainment screen. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let us know in the comments below.